Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the Arcwarder build and making a backup of the configuration. This prevents rollback if something breaks. Once done, open the installation folder and locate the color settings file, typically config/colors, JSON, or the built-in theme editor. Make sure you have admin or write permissions, because failing that will stop saves. I'll show you how to edit safely, why each value matters, and how to avoid common permission traps, so you can proceed without losing your original theme. Now you edit the color values directly. You should use a plain text editor to preserve formatting and observe JSON syntax. Commas, braces, and quotes must stay intact. Change hex codes or RGB/HSL values. I explain why contrast ratios matter and how to pick accessible foreground and background pairs. Once you change one small element, save and reload Arcwarder to validate. If it looks wrong, revert the single change. This incremental approach prevents wide-scale theme breaks and keeps troubleshooting simple. Finally, apply your edits and verify them in the live UI. Reload or restart Arcwarder, then walk through key screens to ensure readability and consistency. Make refinements for brightness, contrast, and emphasis. I explain why small adjustments matter for usability. If the app fails to load or elements are invisible, stop, restore the backup copy, or remove the latest JSON entry. That single troubleshooting tip saves time. Always keep the backup handy to roll back immediately if the theme breaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.